Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to talk about the difference between financial year, fiscal year and assessment year in India, and why it is important for all of us to know the basic difference between all these three things. Now, we all know that every year there is a balance sheet which is being prepared by every organization. Every company in this country has to prepare a balance sheet and present it to its shareholders and publish in the public domain. Now, this shows the performance of the company, and on the basis of that performance, it is assessed whether the company is performing good, and on the basis of that, the GDP, the gross domestic product, or the growth of the nation is determined. And that is why the financial year, the fiscal year, and the assessment year knowledge for every person is important. Now, in India, this year, this 1 year period starts from 1st April and ends on 31st of March every year. Now, this is the financial year. So, every year from 1st of April to 31st March of the next year is one financial year, and this is also called fiscal year. Now, the income tax returns are filed and taxes for a company are usually paid in the next year after the end of financial year. Now, this year in which the income is assessed to tax is called assessment year. So I hope you got the point. From 1st of April to 31st of March next year will be a financial year. And from 31st of March, the assessment year will start. I'll give you one very simple example. I'm sure you'll be able to understand with this example. Now the year starts in the case of accounts which are being prepared starting 1st of April 2013. They will end on 31st of March 2014. So this period of 12 months is called financial year or fiscal year. And this financial year will be from 2013 to 2014. Now, for this fiscal year, for this financial year 13-14, the assessment of the tax will happen in 14-15, which is the next year. This is the basic difference which we need to understand. First point, the financial year starts from 1st April 2013, ends on 31st March 2014, 12 months. This is the financial year period 13-14, and the assessment will start from the next year, which is 14-15. So the due date of filing income tax returns for financial year is 31st of July or 31st of September of the assessment year. So let's take this example. So for 2013-14, the assessment year will be 14-15. And what is the due date for filing income tax? By 31st July or 30th September if the government extends the period for filing the income tax. So this will be the assessment year for filing the income tax. So in simple terms, financial year is the year in which the income is earned, and assessment year is the year in which the income is assessed to tax. And all the taxes are paid and tax returns filed. The income tax rules slab rates which are applied for the assessment year 14-15 would be the same as the rules for financial year 13-14 and so on. So I hope this concept is absolutely clear. Now in India, 12 months financial year period starts from 1st April and ends on 31st March. However, that is not the case with all the countries, and many countries consider different periods of 12 months for the purpose of computation in the financial year. It is only in India that the financial year does not start on 1st January. So that's the point which we all need to know, and we also need to understand and know what is the reason why financial year in India starts from 1st April and not 1st of January. And to be very frank, there is no exact reason why financial year starts from 1st of April and not 1st of January. But there are certain assumptions, there are certain belief uh, which people have followed since ages, and some of the assumptions, some of the reasons are: first, India was ruled by Britishers for more than 150 years, and in UK the financial year starts from 1st of April and not 1st of January, and therefore the same concept may have applied to India as well as by the Britishers. Also, in many regional calendars like Hindu calendar, etc., the new year starts in the month of April, and this may be a reason why the government also thought of starting the financial year in the month of April. Now, one more reason which is being talked about is that month of November and December are considered to be festive season due to the presence of many festivals like Diwali and Christmas. The inventory is very fast moving during the period, and it would have been difficult to close the books on accounts during this period. Moreover, the employees of many organizations are also on vacations. So these are some of the specific reasons, but not collaborated or confirmed. But if you have to take it from me, you just need to remember this, that the financial year starts from this period and the assessment year from starts from the next year. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it on social media. Thank you. Have a great day.